This is what's gonna happen. I'm gonna make some funny sounds of farting sounds, and I want to see if my sister takes it serious. It's gonna be like a little prank, and subscribe. You might like it, and request for any more. And I've got the hiccups, so yeah, let's just wait for it to come in. Charlotte, it's about to start.
Sorry.
What are you giggling at?
I tripped and fell.
Alright.
Okay.
Sorry.
Oh,
I'm so sorry.
thank goodness. Oh, cute.
I'm so sorry. Oh, I have a bad belly today. Oop. Sounded like. Do you know what it sounded like there? It sounded like a police car. Oh, got the hiccups. Sorry. Had something in my head. I mean, I thought.
Are you gonna play this or what?
Charlotte.
What?
It was a joke.
Get him!
Charlotte! Didn't have to take it so seriously. It was only a joke. Stop! Jesus Christ, I didn't think she'd take it that serious. Would you like to say anything? See you guys later. Bye.